Yay! Guess what? It worked! I mean, obviously, I was expecting that. I didn't have a single doubt. To be honest though, I have no idea where I'm going. Is that a bad thing? Yes, that's a bad thing. Now I kinda want to turn back, just in case there's some massive programmer-eating robot on the other side. Whoops. Ah!
Go!
Hey you, see that loose bit of dirt there? Drill it.
What? You are... I mean, okay. Ow. So, I repeat, what? Who are you?
That doesn't matter right now, except maybe it does. My name's Citrine, and I'm a member of the Snake Squad.
Oh, I was right about the place people hide from robots. That's you guys.
Yes, well, I've just led you into a temporarily safe place, but you can't stay here forever. You'll need to defeat the drones.
Yeah, about that, my butt still hurts.
Ha ha. Anyways, don't you have something to do?
Right, initiating Thread Phone VR.
You don't even have to say that.
I know, but it sounds cool. Hello again, people. As Citrine has so kindly mentioned, we've got a Python lesson to do. And this one is all about Python methods. My time is already cut short by those drones, so off we go. First up, just a quick thing about methods. These are things like list.append or list.pop to things like string.format and string.capitalize. They make things easier in Python, like automatically making stuff capital letters, or squaring it, or many other things. By the way, if you can't remember them, don't worry, because there are tons of methods, all for different automated purposes, and you don't have to remember them. You know why? Jupyter Notebook has a handy feature where, if you type your variable, then type dot, you can type tab to show you all the methods you need. Then you can click on one and it'll autofill. Also, if you need to know what a method does, or what you need to put in these brackets, you can press Shift-Tab to bring up a list of the attributes that go inside the brackets, and an explanation of what this method does. This insert function over here puts in an object, an item, in the list before the index you put in the brackets. Alternatively, if you don't have Jupyter Notebook, you really should, it's awesome. You can call the help command by just popping it before the command and removing the brackets. This returns a similarly detailed description. Furthermore, you can check out the Python documentation. It's at docs.python.org and contains explanations for practically anything in Python, not just methods and built-in functions. For example, I need help on how strings work, so I'll type string in this quick search. Ta-da! All about strings. Next lesson is going to be something really important. Functions. These let you make your own Python command, just for you, in a program, to do long things easily without having to rewrite a lot of code. It's also the way to make proper clean code, like any self-respecting programmer should do. But you'll also find that the difficulty of problems you can solve with Python goes up exponentially when you learn functions. But more on that next lesson. So, Citrine, how am I supposed to beat these drones?
Well, it might have a little something to do with methods.
Oh?
Use methods to program a solid VR object.
You know what? I'll check the documentation. Aha! Okay, sweet. Now I have gauntlets. Haha! the Conda quiz too.